Alright, this is how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 PC. First is to launch a web browser, and in this case, you're going to use Google Chrome. We need to install the updated version of Python. Alright, so if you don't have the updated version, that's why you're going to do this. Alright, so in this search area, type Python, just type install Python. Okay, install Python. Then press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Now some options will be listed and this one points at python.org. So click on that, download Python. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, okay? Click on this Python, okay? Click on this downloads, all right? And select Windows. Then you'll be taken to this page, okay? On this section, you can see latest Python install manager and you will see latest Python 3 release, okay? Python 3.14.0. Click on this option. You can see the release date was on October 7, 2025, and today is December 2, 2025. So let's scroll down on this page. You will see this one that says Windows Installer 64-bit recommended. All right, that's what we need in this case. So click on that, okay? Now wait for the program to be the application file to be downloaded into your PC, okay? All right, once it's downloaded, you will see it show up here. So click on the application file. A notification will show up on your screen like this. Check this box, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Okay, and check this other box, which other box that says add python.exe to path. Okay, change that path. And once you're done with that, click on this install now section. A notification will show up on your computer screen asking you if you want this program to make changes to your device. Click on yes. So hold on for the program to be installed. Alright, once all installation is done, just click on close. So let's minimize this window. Now let's test to know if truly the updated version of Python is installed here. So click on the start and then click inside this search box here and then type in terminal. The best match will show up and that is this. So click on it. Then here type Python space dash dash version. Okay. Once you finish typing this, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. You can see this is Python 3.14.0. What this means is that our installation is successful and we installed the latest version of Python. Now the next step you need to take is to install Jupyter. And what you need to type here is pip space install space Jupyter. You can see everything is in small letters. All right. PIP space install space Jupyter. All right. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Wait and don't be in a haste. All right. This may take up to 3 minutes or 5 to finish the installation. So hold on until everything is done. All the codes are run successfully. Okay. All right, everything is done perfectly okay. All right, so meaning that we have installed the Jupyter notebook we needed. So let's take further steps. So I'll minimize this window. Then let's create a folder here where we'll be having our projects. So I'll right click and I'll select new followed by folder. Let's call it Jupyter projects. Okay, projects or works. Okay, let's call it Jupyter works. Okay, then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So this is saved. I can drag it up. Okay, then double click on it for it to open. All right, once it opens, you have a clean interface, just like this. All right, click and select open terminal. Okay. On this terminal page, there's something we need to run here, okay? So type Jupyter Notebook, all right? Everything in small letter. All right, you can see that Jupyter Notebook. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Hold on for some things to be done here. All right, you can see. Okay, hold on. So this automatically is opening a page on my browser. In your own case, it may request you to select a browser, all right? Once you type that set of information, okay? Just select Chrome or any browser of your choice for it to open. So once you're landed here, let's create our first file. So click on New. And from this list of options, you can select any, but here, let's go with Python 3. Okay, so it opens on a new page like this. So let's give this file a name. Let's call it first work. Okay, first work. And after that, I'll click on rename. All right, so this has created a new file here. So let's check if this is really, if a new file is really created in that folder. So I'll click here and you can see that file we created now, which is a new project we call first work. So these are the steps you need to take to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 PC. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. See you next time.